Hello and welcome back to the channel. I want to discuss about the 94 Chevy Suburban build. Well, unfortunately, it all started last video. I was discussing how when you put it see at the 40-mile-an-hour mark, you're actually going 35. Well, when it hits that mark in either overdrive or drive, it redlines to the 4,000 RPMs. Well, then had to shift it down first gear. Then it started doing between 4,000 and 5,000, 4,000 and 4,500 RPMs. Then, like the catalytic converter was loose and rattling and all that, so I tried to, shift it out of the way and reposition it, maybe delete it, because I mean it's a 25-year-old vehicle, and here where I live they don't do emissions tests, and with it being that old, you really don't need the catalytic converter. So I was going to take that off. Well, yesterday I was out running errands as usual, and well, the night before, me and my wife and kids piled up, went to go do a little shopping for the kids, and next thing I know, it's going and making a real loud metal rattling sounds, and sounded like it was grinding up against a cable somewhere. Well, in between the transmission pan and the catalytic converter, there's a heat shield. Well, I already replaced the transmission filter, replaced the gasket, and it was a rubber gasket that came with the filter. So I went ahead and used that, and it was leaking a little and all that. Well, yesterday I went to go run errands. It was even louder, and all of a sudden it was like making a round and all that. It sounded like a J brake, but it also sounded like metal grinding on the ground, or something dragging. I get out, go around. The transmission pan was leaking real bad. I mean, it was like it had a hole about the size of a 9 millimeter. Uh, uh, and lo and behold, it was leaking pretty bad. Had it towed back. Tried to start crank the motor to try and move it over so that a neighbor could have her parking space back. Well, all it does is click. It does not even try and start or nothing. The motor ceased. So now we're at the issue of, well, the transmission went out and the motor went out at the same time. That never happens. I don't know what caused that. I guess because it's just under 296,000 miles. And I mean, it's really bad. I mean, like, it's really bad.